Hi friends, welcome to Master Career Blueprint MCB. Here we empower you to get more successful in your project management career, get more awareness, understanding and mastery over the subject of project management, which you are already. You are already the master of the project management theory and practice. We just need to put on the light bulbs sometimes so that we put the lights on ourselves and find out that we are already masters. How is it? Let us see. Can you tell me or try to introspect who are the most consistent project managers in the world who are able to do it on a day in and day out basis without any hue and cry? You'll be amazed to know that our mothers, our spouse, our children, ourselves, we ourselves are the most consistent project managers in the whole world. How is it so? There are a lot of projects which are being delivered by our mothers, our spouse, our children, ourselves in a day-to-day life, which impact us significantly in various shades, but we are not aware that these are projects. What is a project? What are operations? A project, according to project management book of knowledge created by the Project Management Institute, which is an authority in project management, is any endeavor undertaken to create an unique project service or a result. Operations are ongoing and routine day-to-day activities to ensure smooth running of organizations' businesses. Okay, so the unique project service or result, are we not creating? Is my mother not creating? Is your mother, is your spouse, is your children, or your children not creating that unique service or result on a day in and day out basis? The truth bomb here is you are a master in project management already. The breakfast, the lunch, the dinner which is being prepared, apart from other small projects, are fantastic, significant projects which are delivered by either of us on a day-to-day basis. The procurement is different, the scope is different, the requirement is different, the schedule is different, and the budget is different. For a breakfast, for a lunch, for a dinner. These are three different projects. Minimum, millions of people across the world are minimum delivering three projects on a day-to-day basis consistently for ages together. We have to have this awareness that we are already masters. You are already a master in project management, and there's no doubt about it. Only thing you have to marry the understanding of project management into this awareness and achieve mastery over the subject. What do you gain here in this course is awareness. Now that you are aware that you are delivering projects on a day-to-day basis, you are a project manager already, you are masters in that, your consistency level, your accuracy levels in all the projects you deliver is well over 90%. Then you have to put this over and above this awareness, you have to put the understanding of project management concepts which have been defined, and based on this awareness and understanding, you apply these concepts into your professional life. When you apply these concepts into professional life based on the understanding and awareness, a strong confident level, you become already masters there. Of course, there will be some challenges you will be facing on a month-on-month basis, on a daily basis, in various projects, in terms of scope, in terms of schedule, in terms of stakeholders, escalations, so on and so forth. Those are all part and parcel of life, and we are here to help you in that also in the multiple courses. And based on a proper application of your understanding and awareness, we get into a mastery level. Once the mastery level is achieved based on our prerequisites by the Project Management Institute or any other global Scrum Alliance, we get into certification. The certification proves that, or showcases to the world that we are master of the subject already. And after that, we continue the learning we have in project management. Project management is evolving over a period of time. It started with waterfall, then it is agile, now then it's sprint, then we get to DevOps, the CI/CD. There are various types of project management what we do, and these are evolving over a period of time to cater to the business requirement, the business environment the world is moving towards. So that continued learning has to be kept alive. And in the Master Career Blueprint, we offer that lifetime access to our project management community and collaboration through the community. What does a PM do? A PM is a mini CEO. A PM is already a mini CEO. The project manager's career goes from a transactional project manager to a strategic project manager to a project manager who delivers on transformational projects, and then stepping on to a CXO CEO level. That is the career path for yourselves as a project manager. As a project manager, as a mini CEO, you already are managing and driving all the aspects, all the parameters, all the facets of a business at a smaller scale. You manage the scope, you manage the schedule, you finance, communication, stakeholders, risks, quality, procurement, finance, everything, finance. So that means you are an end-to-end owner of the particular small business, a small project, a transactional project, a strategic project, or a transformational project. You grade yourself from transaction to transformation. You are an end-to-end owner. You're accountable for delivering results. You're accountable to keep the customers happy. You're accountable for the revenue realizations. You're accountable for profit and loss. And you're accountable to take care of all the communication and keep all the stakeholders happy. That's a mini CEO. The mini CEO is a project manager. A project manager is a mini CEO. So you grade yourself to CXO CEO in that path. Transactional project management, strategic and transformational project management, then go to CXO level, CEO level. That's the career path for a project manager. Okay, truth bomb. And this is what we do. A project manager is a highly empowered individual to become a future CEO of an organization. To know more, keep in touch, watch this space, and stay tuned. All the best.